Want to brighten up your home, patio, or event with the perfect summer flower arrangements? Whether you love vibrant tropical blooms, soft and elegant pastels, or wild and rustic florals, summer is the best season to bring nature's beauty indoors and out. In today's video, I'll be sharing 10 breathtaking summer flower arrangement ideas to elevate any space. Plus, stick around until the end because I'll reveal a simple but genius floral trick that keeps your flowers fresh longer.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What are the best flowers to use for summer arrangements? Summer offers a variety of stunning blooms that thrive in warm weather. Sunflowers are a classic choice, adding a bright and cheerful vibe to any arrangement. If you want something elegant, peonies or hydrangeas create a lush, romantic feel. For a more exotic look, tropical flowers like orchids and birds of paradise add a bold and vibrant touch. Love these flower choices? Like and share this video to spread the beauty of summer blooms. How do I choose the right color palette for a summer floral arrangement? Your color palette sets the mood for your floral decor. Bright and bold colors like oranges, pinks, and yellows bring energy and excitement. If you prefer a softer look, pastel shades of peach, lavender, and light blue create a dreamy and calming effect. For a modern and elegant arrangement, a monochromatic palette, such as all white blooms with greenery, offers a timeless aesthetic. Need more color inspiration? Check the description for my favorite summer flower color combinations. How can I make a long-lasting flower arrangement? Nobody wants flowers that wilt too soon. Cutting stems at an angle allows better water absorption and keeps them fresh longer. Adding a small amount of sugar and apple cider vinegar to the water provides nutrients and prevents bacteria growth. For a game-changing tip, keeping your arrangement in a cool spot away from direct sunlight will extend its life. Looking for more flower care hacks? Subscribe for more tips on keeping your blooms fresh. What are some creative summer vase ideas? The right vase can completely transform your floral display. Mason jars wrapped with twine give a rustic and charming touch. If you love a beachy summer vibe, using a large seashell or driftwood as a vase adds a coastal feel. For a chic and modern look, glass vases filled with citrus slices create a fresh and vibrant display. Want to see more vase ideas? Comment below with your favorite vase style. What are some unique outdoor flower arrangement ideas? Outdoor spaces deserve beautiful flower displays too. Hanging flower baskets on your patio or porch instantly create a welcoming summer vibe. If you love DIY projects, using wooden crates or vintage watering cans as flower holders adds a charming touch. For an eye-catching centerpiece, floating flowers in a large bowl of water with candles create a magical summer evening setup. Want to shop my favorite outdoor flower decor? Check the description for links to my top picks. How can I arrange flowers for a summer table setting? Table centerpieces make any meal feel extra special. A low, lush floral arrangement in a long wooden box is perfect for family-style dining. If you want a minimalist touch, placing a single flower in a small bud vase at each seat adds a simple elegance. For a creative and fresh look, using hollowed-out citrus fruits like lemons or oranges as vases gives a bright summer twist. Love these table centerpiece ideas? Drop a comment and let me know which one you'd try. What are some budget-friendly flower arrangement ideas? Gorgeous floral arrangements don't have to be expensive. Using wildflowers or picking blooms from your garden keeps things budget-friendly and natural. Another great trick is mixing real flowers with high-quality faux flowers to make arrangements look fuller without spending too much. For an even more affordable option, repurposing grocery store bouquets into smaller, stylish arrangements lets you get creative while saving money. Looking for affordable flower arrangement supplies? Check the description for my favorite budget-friendly finds. How do I arrange flowers in a non-traditional way? Sometimes, breaking the rules creates the best results. Asymmetrical floral arrangements with varying heights add an organic and modern look. Another creative idea is using dried flowers mixed with fresh blooms for an interesting texture contrast. If you want something artistic, placing flowers inside glass cloches or terrariums creates a unique display. Want more out-of-the-box floral arrangement ideas? Check the description for inspiration. With these 10 summer flower arrangement decoration ideas, you can create stunning floral displays that brighten up any space. Which idea are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for all my recommended flower arranging essentials. Happy decorating!